we're starting with tip number 1 and 2 and 3 that I already talked about in the previous video that you can watch here. In this video, we're continuing with tip number 4, which is always cater to students and learners' needs when you're designing your lesson plan. Now, a lot of people actually are going to say, well, we already have a lesson plan. Well, that lesson plan was designed before meeting the students. When you meet the students, lots of things change. The syllabus and the curriculum and the textbooks that you rely on have been designed 5 years or 10 years ago by an agency that is located abroad. They have no idea about the number of students in your classroom. Maybe you have 50, maybe you have 100, maybe you have 400 students in your classroom. How come one textbook can cater for all the needs and necessities and wants of this population in the classroom? It's really hard. So what you need to do is to be very flexible and adjustable to the kind of necessities and needs that come and pop up in the process of your teaching of English in the classroom. And that does not happen overnight. It happens after consistent amount of observation with heavy duty kind of teaching that you will face during your career, first year, second year, and third year. So in a nutshell, tip number 4 is stating the following. Why are you students studying English? How will they use English in the future? These are major questions that you should ask yourself before delivering the lesson. What do they need to learn when they study English? The answer to these questions helps you specify what and how to teach and what to focus on. So why, how, and what? Why and how and what are the major principles on which you rely heavily in order to design the lesson of this day.